In this video, we will show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to GCash. If you guys want to get started with the Sweatcoin app, you can use the links down in the description. First, open the Sweatcoin app and log into your account. Then, navigate to the Marketplace tab to see the rewards available for Sweatcoins. Next, look for PayPal or Amazon gift card offer that you can redeem using your Sweatcoins. Redeem a gift card with your Sweatcoin balance for PayPal or Amazon credit. Now, sell the gift card on a reliable marketplace like Paxful or Card Cash for cash. Transfer the cash from the sale to your PayPal account. Then, withdraw PayPal funds to your GCash account by linking it to your PayPal account. Alternatively, invite friends to join Sweatcoin and reach influencer status for exclusive rewards. Note, as of now, Sweatcoin does not offer a direct method to transfer your Sweatcoin balance to GCash or a bank account. So that's how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to GCash. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Sweatcoin app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.